Hi guys, for October's Tech in 10 to go into the WW Tech newsletter, we're going to look at Boardmaker Online briefly, and we're also going to look at how you can find some interactive Halloween type activities to use in your classroom. First, we're going to look at a couple just features on here that you may have not seen before. The first one is when you log into your account, scroll down, you'll see new activities. New activities are activities people have made in the community, on Boardmaker community. But it just sometimes features some cool things. There's some cool vocabulary stuff. Somebody made a schedule, which again, you can then add to your account and edit so you don't have to recreate the wheel. So anytime you log on, I like to scroll down to see new activities and see what people have created since I've been on last, because sometimes you might find something cool that you want to add to your account, even if it's not for immediate use, to save it for a future time. So that's just on your home page under new activities. Next, we're going to go to the Community tab. We're going to go to the Activity tab, Community Activities. Here is where you can find activities that other people have created. But the nice thing that they have is trending activities here, which are activities that have been downloaded a lot of times, and also recent activities in a number of categories. Looks like somebody was making an ABC book, some core vocabulary books again, behavior support materials, some Halloween words. So just like under your home tab, when you scroll down to new activities, you can also go to community activities and go to trending and recent uploads and find some ideas there before you search. Trending is always a great place to find some new and cool things that you can add to your account. Okay. The next part of this brief overview is going to the search feature in activities, community activities. Just like Smart Notebook has a database of activities you can search, so does Boardmaker Online. Let's, for purposes of Halloween coming up, let's just search trick or treat, and we'll see what comes up. So a bunch of stuff comes up on here. Over on the left, if you've never seen this side, this is where you can filter your search. So I want to go to interactive. I'd like something interactive. You could choose print, or you don't have to do anything. Once I click interactive, you're going to see lots of different pages come up. Again, these can all be added to your account. They can be, once they're added to your account, they can be edited. So if you like this word list here, but you want to edit a couple of the words, you can do that with the edit pen. I'm going to play the activity just to see if it's something I like.
Trick or treat.
So it looks like just an interactive word wall for Halloween type words, which would be really neat if you're talking about Halloween in your classroom to support morning meeting, or just to support any activity you're doing around Halloween. So that's under activities, community activities, and then searching. And then I changed it to interactive, and that came up there. I mean, you could look at any of these. You know, some are, here's an easy Halloween treat recipe. All right. If I like this and I hit the plus button, I can add it to my account. And if I did that, and then I go back to my Boardmaker, there's the activity to play right there on my account now. There's the one on Halloween vocab. So the point of this is activities, community activities, search, and you can find things related to the theme or holidays or seasons that you're working on right at your fingertips, and save your creation time by 90%, because you either can take it as is or edit it. So we just looked at the new activities under your home page that people upload, which is right here. We looked at how to go to community activities, find trending ones or recent additions, and also how to search and find. The last thing we're going to do for this brief overview is go to my Boardmaker. I want to show you how easy it is to create on Boardmaker. Let's stay within the theme here. So let's do a Halloween book. Okay, let's see if we can do it like in 2 minutes. If you hit create activity, if you go to books and presentations, what that subsequently does is give you templates. Okay, I want to choose this interactive one. Remember, the TV show's interactive. I want to choose this one. It says a book with text on the bottom. Sounds good to me. And then it gives you the template and it tells you exactly what to do to create what you are making. So type the title below. So let's just type, "It is Halloween." Place a symbol or a picture here. Click it and hit return. Just type Halloween. So there's my first page of my book. Now we don't want to touch any of this because this has already been set up from Boardmaker to do what it should do. I do want to go to my pages on the left, and I can do the same thing for the next page. So text goes here. Let's do "I see a pumpkin." Click up here, hit enter, and then you can put your image on here. Next page, same thing. Text goes here. "I see a witch." Click and hit enter. I'm going to do web search this time. You remember you can do symbols or web, and this will take you to like a safe search on Google. Let's take that witch there. There it is right there. So I made my title page, 2 pages. You could do as many pages as you want here. They suggest that if you're done and you don't need these pages, just go to the gear and delete them. I'm not going to do that now because that'll take a little bit of time. But the same premise, let's just do one more page. You click the page. Your text goes here. "I see the candy." Click up here, hit enter. Add your picture. And there you go. You could save this to your account, which I recommend, or to play it. Let's just play it and see what it looks like.
"It is Halloween. I see a pumpkin. I see a witch. I see the candy.
Now
What would you like to do now?"
This was just done in 2 minutes from a template in Boardmaker Online. How cool would that be to do that on a smartboard or to support anything you're doing? Again, we did a Halloween theme because that's what's coming up, but you can do it for anything. The nice thing too about this template, it has
Halloween.
Symbols in here. So if you click the symbols, it
is Halloween.
It has pictures associated with some of the words.
"I see a pumpkin."
Do it for this page. It's got "see" and "pumpkin," so kids could go
"I see a pumpkin."
Oops.
"It is Halloween. I see a pumpkin. I see a pumpkin."
You tap the word pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
And hear it like that. So it made a fully interactive and visual auditory book in about 2 minutes. So this was, again, a quick Tech in 10 to show you a couple cool features on Boardmaker Online, also tied into the upcoming Halloween holiday theme coming up. Hope this was helpful. As always, let me know if you need any help. Thanks for watching.